Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Shaheen Abrar.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Fine. Mr. Shaheen Abrar.
So not present in the
Assalamualaikum,
class.
sir. How are you, sir?
Yes, I am fine.
Shaheen Ashish.
So, let's begin. In our previous class, we discussed about Unit 6, Lesson 1, Lesson 2, and Lesson 3. Today, we are going to discuss about Lesson 4. This is actually a continuation of a story. The story is not something very fictitious. This is something very realistic. This is Lesson 4, Boarding the Plane. So, the screenshot, I am showing some of the word meanings. You can write down these word meanings, or what you can do, you can take screenshot. So these are the word meanings. I think these are important, or some of you will be confused as far as these word meanings are concerned. This Unit 6, Lesson 4. The name of the topic is boarding the plane. The first word is asks. Asks actually refers inquire of. Then number 2 is luggage. Luggage means baggage. Then comes security. Security refers safety. Then comes reasons. Reasons means causes. Then comes allowed. Allowed means permitted. So these are some of the important word meanings from the text. You can have a look on that, or you can take a screenshot. Then we shall move on directly to the text. This is Unit 6, Lesson 4. I'm clearing the board. Now, I will ask somebody to read this passage. I think by now you are ready with EFT. We will discuss Unit 6, Lesson 1. The student who will read out this passage will be Mr. Warid Al Insan. Mr. Warid Al Insan.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Start this. Sami, mute yourself. The person who will be asked to speak, he will speak. Otherwise, everybody will be in a mute position. Warid Al Insan, I think he is not ready. Ryan Chaudhary, can you start? You read last class and you read.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you start this. Lesson 4, boarding the plane.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
The first line is Mita, Zara, Mr. and Mrs. Islam all sit at the lounge.
They all have and they sir আমার এখানে লেখা নাই একটু নিয়ে হইছে স্যার প্রিন্টিং এর
Don't we have the book, Ryan?
ইয়েস স্যার স্যার আসছে স্যার মানে স্যার এখানে দে অল হ্যাভ এর পর স্যার এখানে লাইন কেটে দেওয়া আমার
Okay.
স্যার মিশে
Sir, I
গেছে
can. Sir, I can.
Okay, yes. Mr. Mustaqim Mahmood is ready.
Mita, Jara, Mr. and Miss.
With everything.
No.
Yes. Mustaqim, you read from the beginning.
Mita, Jara, Mr. Okay, sir. Lesson 4, boarding the plane. 3 words is enclosed formality gel. Mita, Jara, Mr. and Mrs. Islam all sit at the lounge. They all have a hand luggage with them. Mr. Islam asks Mita, Jara, are you two carrying any liquid, lotion, gel, or cream in your carry-on luggage? I have a small lip gel in it. Why, uncle? Well, if it is a very small one, there is no problem. But if you have more than 100 milliliter, you have to put it in the checked-in luggage. These are not allowed on board in hand luggage. For security reasons, the officials who do the baggage checking will seize and throw them away. Mita, Jara, Juma Islam, and Majarul Islam go through the security checking and wait in the enclosed area. All the formalities are done. Now they are waiting to board the plane. Mita, Jara, and her parents board the plane after their roll
Mustaqim
number
একটু
is
জোরে
announced.
পড়
Yes, I can listen to
Mita,
you very carefully, very easily. Okay, Mr. Mustaqim, if it is possible, you can speak a bit louder.
Mita Jara and her parents board the plane after their row number is announced. Mita gets a window seat. Her seat number is F23C. Jara sits beside her on an aisle seat and her parents sit behind.
On an aisle. Spelling, pronunciation would be on an aisle. Seat and her parents sit behind them. Actually, it refers in the middle. It refers in the
Middle.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Okay. Can anybody share your experience if anybody, travel by plane? I think you must have encountered these things. Can you share your personal experience? The way Mita, Zara, Mr. and Mrs. Islam are facing, lots of things are happening here. Can anybody share? Personally, I know many of you have traveled different
Sir,
countries.
I have an experience.
Kamleet is a world traveler, I think in 2018, he visits lots of countries. Am I right, Mr. Kamleet?
Yes, sir.
Can you share your experience? What happened in the
It
world?
can bring any chocolate for us.
So if I will tell about my plane journey, then I will also share the journey I did at my first. I went to visit for Thailand and by Thai Airways. It was in the morning, I remember, and I was very excited. And when I reached the airport and did all the formalities and waiting for the plane to arrive,
In
then
the
I
language
boarded.
that is given here, you faced everything. These formalities you have faced.
Yes, sir. All the
Okay,
formalities.
that
Then I
means
boarded the plane.
the thing that is happening here, it is possible in reality. It is not something that happened in a fiction. It's not fictitious at all. Mr. Abnin, you
Yes,
are
sir.
having a cat. You are having a cat and you are showing your cat. Mr. Adnan is so informal, casual. Anyway,
You are a naam ki.
let's do some multiple choice question from this. I'm giving this multiple choice here. This is from this Unit 6, Lesson 4. Okay, here these are the multiple choice. Only 5. Have a look. If you want, you can take screenshot or you write down the answer in your copies. The first one is the word enclosed in line 7 means extended, expired, surrounded, submerged. Number B, the word announced in line 8 means appeal, apply, declare, assert. Number C, the word get in line 8 means receive, leave, take, give. The word seat in line 9 means be seated, abandon, stand, carry on. Number E, the word liquid in line 2 means acid, fluid, oxygen, hydrogen. So these are 5 multiple choice questions. You choose your right answer. I am giving you 1 minute to complete your answer. 1 minute. By 1 minute, you just complete your answer. You just write down the answer. 5 questions, 5 answers. Just 5 words. Assert means, I know some of you will be confused. Assert means actually something that you are claiming. Okay, now time is up. Now Ananto, unmute yourself, then tell us your answer.
আমি তো এখন অ্যানসার করি নাই স্যার, আমি তো ওয়াশরুমে গেছিলাম স্যার, একটু 5 মিনিট
You have started when you are going to the washroom. Oh my goodness. You must have done everything before you sit down for this.
সরি স্যার, আমি এখনই করতেছি স্যার, 5-3 মিনিট।
Sorry, we can't wait for you. Then, Ahana, Mr. Adil. Adil, are you here? Adil. Adil is not responding. Ahmed Samin. Ahmed Samin. Ahmed Samin. He is not giving any answer. Fazle Rabbi Rakin. Fazle Rabbi Rakin, unmute yourself, then answer this multiple choice question. Yes, Mr. Rakin. Rakin, can you speak? Okay, can anybody speak? Can
Sir,
anybody
may I
tell
tell
us?
the answers?
Tell me your name.
Sir, Muhammad Ahmad Hussain.
Okay, Hanaf, tell us the answer.
Sir, big.
Adil,
Sir,
unmute yourself.
Sir, A.
Mute yourself. Others unmute. Sorry, mute. Hanaf will speak. Okay, Hanaf, the
Number
first
A
answer.
is number 3, surrounded.
Surrounded.
A, surrounded.
B,
Enclosed means declare.
clear. Number C.
Receive.
Okay, number D.
Be seated.
Number E.
Fluid.
Fluid. Okay. Hanaf said whether these answers are right or wrong. So I am giving you the answers. Yeah. You can check your answer. So these are the answers. Number 1 is surrounded. Number B is declare. Number C is receive. Number D is be seated. Now the last one is fluid. So Hanaf got 5 out of 5. Those who have attempted these answers, if your answers are right, that means you get 5 out of 5. Now, after this lesson, there are 4 questions, question answer in the book. Please do this question answer. You don't need to write the question. You need to just write down the answer. Write your answer short. It will be very short answer. Write down the question answer. Do you get it? The first question is who had a small lip gel in the hand luggage. Number 2, how much liquid or gel is allowed to carry in hand luggage? Number 3, why are liquid, gel and cream not allowed on board a plane? Number 4, which row is Mita sitting in? These are the 4 questions. Please write down the answer.
স্যার বুঝতে পারলাম না স্যার।
Can you see this whiteboard?
No, sir.
এখানে স্যার কোনো কোশ্চেন দেওয়া নাই?
No, I am not telling you that.
বইয়ে আছে, বইয়ে
Questions
বই
are in
69
the
পেজে
book.
আছে।
Questions are in the book. Just go through these questions. After the last line of the passage, there are 4 questions. Did you get it, Mr. Admin?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You just need to write down the answer. If you write down the answer, your job is done. can take help from the book, I mean from the text. Because in the question, you will have this text. So if you want, you can answer from the text. But in the class test, not in the class test actually, the final exam, there will be 30 marks exam. And there will be MCQ. In that MCQ, there will not be any text. So you have to go through this text very carefully so that you can answer from any angle, no matter from which angle the question setter is making the question. You will be able to answer. So in order to answer properly, you have to go through the text. And you should have the information in your brain for multiple choice questions. If you have finished your answer, you can tell me through the chat option. The chat option you can write down whether you have finished or not. I mean, you can share. These are very easy. Just you need to write one line. If it requires more than one line, I don't think there are some questions like this that will require more than one line. Or you can make complex sentence. In that case, your answer will be longer, but you will be able to answer by one line. So the person who will answer these questions, I am telling the name, please take mental preparation. So the moment I will ask you, you just start your answer because we don't need to wait. Rezwan Shahriar will answer these questions. So Rezwan Shahriar, you take mental preparation. When I ask you to answer these questions, you will start. Rezwan Shahriar, finished your writing? Mushfiqur Rahman has already finished. So we are waiting for Rezwan Shahriar. If he finished, then we shall go through the questions. Rezwan Shahriar, if you have finished your answer, please tell us. Mushfiq is ready. Father Abdi Rakin has written number 3 is for security reasons. Oil, liquid, gel. Okay. But in the answer script, you cannot write this information only. You have to write complete sentence. This is not simple question, just within. Okay, Rezwan Shahriar. Rezwan Shahriar. Rezwan Shahriar, you can unmute yourself and you can answer these questions. Only Rezwan Shahriar will unmute.
The first one, who had a small lip gel in the hand luggage?
Is it
Its
Rezwan
answer
Shahriar?
will be Zara. Yes, sir.
But here something is different. Anyway, start. Who had a small lip gel in the hand luggage?
Zara. Zara had a
So
small
wrong.
lip gel in the hand language.
Right.
Hand luggage.
স্যার মিতা হবে
মিতা
মিতা
হবে।
It will be Mita, sir. It will be
মিতা
Mita.
মিতা হবে।
See, Mita, Zara, I have a
Hand
small
language.
lip gel in it. Boy, uncle. Well, if it is a very small one, there is no problem. But if you have more than 100 ml, you have to put it in the checked in luggage. They are not allowed on board in hand luggage for security reasons. The officer, why do you? So, Mita, Zara, and Zuma Khan. This is Mita. Okay.
Can I answer number 2?
Okay, number B. Yes. Uh-huh.
Less than
Please start.
100 ml.
How much liquid or gel is allowed to carry in hand luggage?
Less than 100 ml.
Okay. Then number 3.
Because they are more than 100 ml.
Why are liquid, gel, and cream not allowed on board a plane?
Sir, I'm boli.
Okay, Mahabub Rahman Alif.
Liquid, gel, and cream are not allowed due to security reasons.
Simple. Liquid, gel, and cream are not allowed because of security reasons. Okay. Number 4. Number 4 will be answered by Tabib Rahman. Which row is Mita sitting in?
Mita is sitting in row C.
Her seat number is F23C. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Row C and the seat number
Is F23. All right.
is F23. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, lesson 5. Let's go through lesson 5. I am giving some word meanings to you. You have it. Okay, here. There we go. This is lesson 5. Announcements on board. You can write down the word meaning or you can take screenshot. First one is tie up, secure, keep safety, compartment, a separate section of a structure, upright, erected, altitude, height, tailwind, wind at the tail end, descent, climb down, shortly, immediately. I think you have done your job. Okay. So I am clearing this.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Orithro Mahi. Are you ready with the book? Orithro Mahi, can you read this passage? Orithro Mahi. Orithro Mahi is not ready. Then Ahmed Samin. Ahmed Samin did not respond earlier. Araf Haidar Borno. Yes. Mr. Borno. Borno.
Lesson.
Unit 9, lesson 5.
Sir, আমি পড়বো?
Yes. Mr.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome
Borno, speak.
to board flight BG. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board flight BG88 to Bangkok. We are currently third in line for taking off. Are expected to be in the air in approximately 7 minutes. Please fasten your seatbelt and secure all baggage. Under your seat or in the overhead of compartment, see your seat and table trays in
Upright position
of
for
all
takeoff.
personal electronic devices, including
জোরে পড়
Yes, sir. Please turn off all of personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is a lavatory prohibition.
Yes.
Thank you for choosing Bangladesh Biman. Enjoy your flight.
Okay, there are fill in the gaps. Please do this. If you have a pencil, you can use the pencil and you can write down your answer in your book, or you can use your copy. I'm giving you 1 minute. Okay, Tanveer Ahmed Khan. Tanveer Ahmed Khan will answer these questions from A to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tanveer, unmute yourself and answer. Mr. Tanveer Ahmed Khan.
Yes, sir.
Please tell us answer. Number 1 is the plane is dash in the line to take off. Did you write your answer, Tanveer?
Yes, sir.
I don't think he has written. Zahir Abrar.
গুগলে সার্চ দিয়ে স্যার অ্যানসার বলতেছে স্যার।
Sorry?
আমি বলবো
Zahin Abrar, yes. Please tell us this answer.
Sir, এটা অনন্ত।
শুধু বলবো অ্যানসারটা নাকি স্যার লাইন সহ?
Yes. Just read the line with the word.
So number 1, the plane is third in line to take off.
Right.
Number 2, the passengers are requested to fasten their seat belt.
Right.
3, all baggage to be kept under the seat
Under the
or in
seat.
the overhead compartments.
Or in the overhead compartments. Right.
Number 4, the seats are to be in upright position.
Right.
Number 5, all personal electronic devices are to be turned off.
Turned off. Right. Number 6.
6, it is a non-smoking flight.
Excellent. It is a non-smoking flight. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, Admin.
স্যার স্মোকিং ফ্লাইটও হয় স্যার?
Smoking flight.
হয়।
I don't think that is.
এখানে কি আর অন্য কিছু হইতে পারতো না?
Sir. So what is the meaning of lavatory?
Lavatory means toilet.
Oh.
Washroom.
I think the personal private jets are smoking plane.
Oh, that is for special persons like Messi, Neymar.
Sheikh Hasina.
So I don't think there is any person in our country who has a personal aeroplane. Personal helicopter is okay, but I don't think. Okay, now actually this is the continuation of Unit 6, Lesson 5. There is another passage. Now before we begin this passage, there are some questions. Actually, you will get all the answers of these questions here in the passage. Now read the questions carefully. Read the following announcement on board flight BG88 and answer the questions in short. Who is speaking? Question number 1. What is the airspeed of the plane per hour? Question number 2. What is the time mentioned in the announcement? How is the weather? What is the temperature in Bangkok mentioned in the announcement? Who will serve snacks and drinks? We shall try to get these answers later. First, First, Mr. Mahdi Hassan Tasim. Mahdi Hassan Tasim, can you read this passage? See, you can unmute yourself, then you can read this passage. Mahdi. Mahdi Hassan, sorry. Not Mahdi, Mahdi Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Please read this passage.
Lesson 6, announcement on board 2.
Yes, good afternoon, passengers. This is the first line. Mahdi? He is speaking, but I don't think
Captain Rashid Akbar speaking. First, I would like to welcome everyone on flight BG88. We are currently cruising at an altitude of 10058.40 feet at airspeed of 643.7376 km per hour. The time is 1:25 p.m. The weather looks good, and with the tailwind on our side, we are expecting to land in Bangkok approximately 15 minutes ahead of schedule. The weather in Bangkok is clear and sunny. The temperature is 32 degrees Celsius for this afternoon. If the weather is good, we should get a great view of the city as we descend. The cabin crew will be coming around in about 20 minutes time to offer your light snack and drinks. The in-flight movie will begin shortly after that. I will talk to you again before we reach our destination. Until then, sit back and enjoy the flight.
Okay, these are the same languages. If you travel by plane, you will get almost the same language. Even if it is domestic flight, the cabin crew, they will speak these things, okay? And they speak very fast, very fast. Now you have read this, write down the answer. The questions we have got in the beginning. Who is speaking? Write down the answer. What is this airspeed of the plane per hour? Write down the answer. What is the time mentioned in the announcement? Write down the answer. So write down the answer of the 6 questions in short. Then I will ask one by one. If you have finished, you can tell me. In the chat box, you can confirm that you have finished. This is very easy. You will get the information here in this. Who is speaking? What is the airspeed? What is the time mentioned? How is the weather? What is the temperature in Bangkok mentioned in the announcement? Who will serve snacks and drinks? Okay, Robek has finished. Ananto finished. Mahdi Hassan. Okay, I think you all are ready. Now, it will be answered by Samuel Arifin Onindo. Onindo, unmute yourself.
Sir, finished.
Question number 1. Who is speaking?
Sir, yeah. Captain Rashid Akbar is speaking.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Sarim Rizvi. What is the airspeed of the plane per hour? Sarim Rizvi. Responding. It's not responding. Rob Beg. Beg. Mr. Beg.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2.
So 643.7376 kilometers.
Just make a sentence, then answer. If you just tell me the
Sir, can you hear me?
No, Robek will answer. Your sound is not clear. Right. The airspeed of the plane
Per hour is 643 kilometer, 7,376 kilometers.
Okay. Then Zarif Hassan. Question number 3. Zarif.
Yes, sir.
What is the time mentioned in the announcement? Zarif.
Sir, I have not finished my writing.
Anaf Hussain. Anaf, what is the time mentioned in the announcement?
I did not find it.
Huh?
So I have to look.
Sir, I'm both
আমি বলি স্যার 125 PM
আমি বলতে পারবো
125 PM
125 p.m.
25.
Hello.
Don't say this hello. You are behaving as if you are kids. আমি বলতে পারি. I will ask a person, individual, then you can answer. It seems that some of you are not careful at all while the class is going on. You should be careful. And you should do the work that is given. Now it will be answered by Tamjid Yasin. Tamjid, unmute yourself and answer. What is the
Sir,
time
which
mentioned
number?
in the announcement?
So the time mentioned in the announcement is 1:25 p.m.
That's it.
1 point.
It is there. 1:25 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Now, question number 5 will be answered by Rizwanul Islam. Rizwanul Islam. Rizwanul Islam is not telling anything. I don't know why. This what? Okay, Mr. Abnin.
Yes sir.
Can you answer this question number 5?
Yes sir.
How is the
temperature is-
question number 4? How is the weather?
The weather is good.
The weather, actually, it is referring to the weather of Bangkok.
Oh, sorry sir. The temperature in Bangkok mentioned in the announcement is clear and sunny.
The weather in Bangkok is clear and sunny.
Yes sir.
Nazmuddin Arabi. Question number 5. Can you answer this question? What is the temperature in Bangkok mentioned in the announcement?
Sir, we have less than 1 minute.
But it takes 10 seconds to answer this.
Sir, can I answer?
Yes,
Sir.
লাগাইলো আমি আপনাকে
Or no? Can you answer this?
মানে জানো
The temperature in Bangkok is 32 degrees Celsius for this afternoon. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Who will serve snacks and drinks? Very easy. The cabin crew will serve snacks and drinks. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the class so far. I think we have finished the class. If I give you any homework, I will inform you through messenger group. Okay? What?
Good afternoon, sir.
Submit. As for today, from my side, this is goodbye. Thank you.